Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. So my planned lesson today is to make a simple, straightforward cover that will help you to make a quick cover for your ottoman or poof or footstool that could use an update for the holidays and going forward. Okay, so before I take this big thing down off my dining table, let's look at some, I've been using my dining table for my studio because my studio doesn't have any heat in it right now. I thought it was going to get heat, but I don't have any heat. So yeah, I'm using my dining table because I'm going to keep making these lessons. So stick with me, friends. Okay, so I have a few measurements here that I want to point out to you guys. And this is the length. What I've done is measured from this end here right back to the next. And I have 53 inches there for the length. The width I measured from this side all the way back to this side. That is 36 inches. I've also measured the seat of the ottoman, and the length is 36.5 inches. And the width is 19.5 inches. So those are the measurements that we will be working with. And we're going to make this cover from one panel of fabric. So let's get started. Okay, so before we cut into the fabric, we need to also add increments for our hem. I will be doing a 1-inch double hem, which means that I will need 2 inches on this side and 2 inches on this side. Also for the width, 2 inches on the one side and 2 inches on the other side. So it's 53, that's a length, inches plus 4 inches. That's 57 inches. Our width is 36 plus 4 inches. That's 40 inches. That is our width. So we are ready to cut our fabric 40 by 57. So let's get it on the table here. I've already used the lines on the fabric to square off the fabric for good measure. I'm just going to snip off this little part here. So the next thing we're going to do is measure off for the length. However, because I have already gone ahead and fold the fabric, it means that instead of using 36.5 inches, I'm going to divide that by 2 and I'm going to measure off 18.25 inches. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'll just use my tailor's chalk to mark it. And I'll pull my pins. You could just mark it with a tailor's chalk from the beginning. You don't have to pin it. Then I'll go ahead and I'll use my straight edge to connect both marks from side to side, all the way across. Next, I am going to fold my fabric again. We have already dealt with the length. Now we are going to do the width. And because I have folded my fabric, instead of you measuring off 19.5, I'm going to measure off 9 3/4 inches. So from here, I'm going to measure off 9 3/4 inches. I'm going to do the same thing here. 9 3/4. I'll just use my tailor's chalk to mark it. And then I am going to connect these two marks. However, I just need to intersect with this line, so I don't have to take it all the way up across here. So I'll just stop where the mark intersects. Okay, so now, take it closer. Can't see it so good. So we have a box in the corner here. Hopefully you can see the box. And so what we're gonna do now is cut out the box in the corner following the chalk line. Okay, so now look what we have done. We have cut out in one swoop, we have cut out the 4 corners of the fabric panel. Our next step is to butt the corners up together, just like so, and stitch along here. So let's go ahead and stitch our corners. Now I am just doing my stitch 1/4 inch from the edge, and also what I've done is I've a curve at the top here, just so that the corners are not like very pointed and they're more curved. Okay, now I have my 4 corners stitched. This fabric looks so much heavier than it is. It is so light. But the thing I like about it is that it doesn't fray easily. So if you can get fabric that doesn't fray, then your life will be so much easier. So I'm not even going to try to do any type of zigzag because it's not necessary. So next, we are going to do a 1-inch double hem. So, where is my little gadget? Oh, here we go. So I measure from the edge and I will turn 1 inch. Remember, I didn't cut my self edge off because it was a part of my measurement. So luckily, I was able to use it as a part of my measurement. So you want to make sure your fabric will be wide enough. If not, you'll have to join panels. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold again, and then I'm going to start stitching my hem. Okay. Normally I would press in my hem before I stitch it like this, but I'm gonna do a little freelancing today. I'll just measure as I go, just to make sure I am good. Let's put this baby on. Okay, yeah! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! You can do this in less than a half an hour, guys. Check this out. Oh, check this out. And it goes on like a charm. So good, so nice. Friends, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please drop your thoughts below. I'd really like to get that feedback. There is nothing more pleasurable than to see that little red dot at the top of the page, so I can look at your comments and your questions and answer them. Also, please share with somebody and give me those thumbs up. They help to get the video in front of more people. If you have not yet subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscription button before you go. Or I hope you don't go. I hope you stick around and check out some more of the videos. But yeah, also turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos like this and many more. Check out the membership, and if you're impressed by something, please go ahead and give me those super likes and super thanks. Coming in 2024. I look forward to your support on the channel. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you sharing, liking, commenting. Yeah, all that help to get the video in front of more people, because the more engagement the video gets is the more the algorithms pick up the video. So please guys, go ahead and help me to get the videos out. Yeah, I would really like to get to 3,000 subscribers. 3,000 subscribers before the end of 2024. Let's see if that's possible. I think I need maybe about some 300 plus, but hey, that shouldn't be a biggie. If you that's watching right now, go ahead and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Wishing you all the best for the Christmas season. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. You have a great one. Enjoy your family. Life's short. You never know what's gonna happen the next minute, so make the most of each minute. Sending you guys lots of love and appreciation and holiday cheer. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.